In a community of believers, the church, we are all different. God has made us unique. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. God has put talents, skills, abilities in you, and we're all different. And because of that, we are meant to sharpen each other. Different personalities, different communication styles, different stages of life, different like type A, type B. Oh, we found a type Z personality? Okay. Conflicts, disagreements, seeing things not exactly the right way, sharpens us and refines us.